Meaning of house officer.
House officer.
House officer.
House officer.
House officer. The term house officer typically refers to a junior doctor who has completed medical school and is undergoing supervised clinical training in a hospital setting. This term is commonly used in countries such as the United Kingdom and Australia, where the medical education system differs from that in the United States. House officers generally work long hours and are responsible for managing patient care under the supervision of senior physicians. The role of house officer is critical in ensuring the delivery of high-quality medical care in hospitals, and it serves as an important stepping stone in a doctor's career progression.